So what we're going to do today is unpack some example of models so you can get an idea of what every number represents. So the first says the relationship between the elapsed time t in seconds, so I'm going to note that, since Mustafa threw the ball and its horizontal velocity in centimeters per second, modeled by the following function. So the first thing I'm going to ask is this a growth or a decay? So I'm going to find that amount by looking at the number 0.81 here. So because that number is a decimal, then I know that this is a decay. Then I'm going to look at 4. It's what does the 4 represent? So 4 is going to represent the initial amount. So because we're looking at a ball being thrown, this initial amount is probably the centimeters above ground. Or how far above ground it is, because that doesn't make really sense. But it's going to be how far above it is as we throw it and we start to track how far it's going to go down. The 0.8 represents, so the amount decreased per second. So here with my 0.81, because we are looking at a rate, then I know that that rate was subtracted from 1 to get our 0.81%. So that rate is 19%. So it tells me that all together, it says this function says that Mufasa threw the ball. It starts to go down. It started at 4, but it's going to go down 19% per second. We're going to look at 4 of these.